Tell me, how do your city light up for Christmas? This is Coventry, West Midlands, Warwickshire. My city is well lit for Christmas. Let's know how your city looks like during this period. This is Coventry. Loads of attractions. Coventry, the city of culture 2021. Well lit for Christmas. Let's know in the comment section how your city does for Christmas for the yuletide season. Enjoy the beautiful scenery here in Coventry, West Midlands. It's beautiful, isn't it? Coventry at Christmas, yay! Check in and enjoy the tiny details. It's beautiful, isn't it? It is beautiful, yeah. What a time to be alive. What a time to be at the city center.